Have you ever dreamed that your smartphone camera could literally take flight and snap photos of you from the sky? Well, wake up, because that dream is about to become reality. Vivo is reportedly working on a device that sounds absolutely insane, a smartphone with a hidden 200 megapixel flying drone camera inside the chassis. Yeah, you heard that right. Forget carrying around a bulky drone case. With this phone, your camera is the drone. It lifts off, hovers around you, and captures cinematic video angles you've only ever seen in movies. But wait, it's not just about the flying camera. The rest of the specs on this thing are going to blow your mind. In today's exclusive breakdown, we are exposing every secret of the Vivo Flying Drone Phone. How does the mechanism work? How fast can it fly? Is it actually safe? And, most importantly, the price tag and the launch date. Stick around until the very end, because I've got a massive leak you do not want to miss. Let's dive in. Features of the Vivo Flying Drone Camera Phone. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. We are looking at a massive 6.95-inch LTPO OLED panel. We're talking about a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or doom scrolling, everything is going to feel instant. And the brightness, it's blinding. 4,500 nits of peak brightness. You could be standing in the middle of the desert at noon, and this screen will still look crystal clear. Plus, it's rocking an IP69 rating, so it's fully protected against water and dust. And for security, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor that unlocks literally faster than you can blink. The drone camera setup. Alright, let's get to the reason you clicked on this video, the drone camera. This isn't an external accessory you have to clip on. This is a built-in, 200 megapixel mini drone that lives inside the phone's body. You press one button, the tray opens, and boom, it detaches and hovers into the air. You control the whole thing right from your phone screen. It's rumored to have an advanced auto-follow mode, meaning it locks onto you and follows you autonomously. Imagine going for a hike or a run, and having your phone capture 200 megapixel aerial footage of you, without you lifting a finger. That is next-level content creation. But Vivo didn't forget about the handheld experience. When the drone is docked, you still have a beastly 108 megapixel primary sensor on the back. So, whether the camera is in your hand or in the sky, you are getting flagship quality shots. Performance. Now, to power a flying camera, you need serious horsepower. This phone is rumored to be the heartbeat of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This chip is the future of mobile processing. It doesn't matter if you're rendering 8K video or multitasking with 10 apps open, this phone won't even break a sweat. And it's all running on the upcoming Android 16, making the experience smoother and faster than anything we've seen yet. Battery backup. The big question is, won't a flying drone kill the battery? Vivo thought of that. They've packed a massive 9500 mAh battery into this device. That is huge. You can fly the drone, game for hours, and stream content, and this thing will still keep running. And when you finally do drain it, you've got 125-watt ultra-fast charging. Plug it in, and it's back to 100% in minutes. Price and launch date. Okay, let's talk brass tacks. When can you buy it, and how much will it hurt your wallet? According to our sources, this piece of innovation is going to land around the $2,000 mark. Yeah, that's a heavy price tag. But remember, you aren't just buying a smartphone, you're buying a high-end phone and a smart drone in one package. As for the release, expect Vivo to drop this onto the global market around mid-2026, likely June or July.